Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today is Sunday. That means a family day. So why not try pizza this time? So for making pizza, we will need 2.5 cups of flour, a 1/4 cup oil, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, and 1 cup milk, and 1 tablespoon of yeast. We need the milk to be lukewarm so that it does not deactivate the yeast too fast. So we are going to be adding the 2.5 cups of flour, and we're going to be sifting it first. I'm going to be adding the salt later because it's Himalayan salt, so that means it's going to be a little rocky. So the salt may not go through all at once. So I'm going to add the powdered sugar next, just to take out any rocks or lumps in it, as you see. You can always press it down to get as much as you can in. So now that our flour and powdered sugar are in, we are going to be adding our oil. I have a 1/4 cup of oil here, or Himalayan salt. It can be any salt. It's 1 teaspoon, and our 1 cup of lukewarm milk. I'm just going to measure out some of this instant yeast. It's from Rossmore, so I need 1 tablespoon of yeast. So that's the whole packet. This is around 11 grams of instant yeast. So if you don't have a measuring spoon, you can always just go ahead and add 11 grams in. So I'm just going to mix this in using a K mixer. On low heat, low mixer. So I'll see you when this is completely mixed in. It took 3 to 4 minutes for the dough to well combine. So I'm going to take this out and knead it with my hand. Because of the milk, the dough is slightly warm. So I'm just going to clear the surface. And I am going to take the dough out and hand knead it. So I want to do it like the fold method so that it gets well combined. The dough should not stick to your hands because of the oil added in it. So I have nothing on my hands even, and it's not sticking. So now that I've kneaded this for around a minute to 30 seconds, I'm going to take a steel bowl because it helps in rising the dough better. I'm just gonna brush it with some oil. So I'm just going to put the dough in here now, and I'm going to cover it with cellophane wrap and put it in some warm place for about 2 to 3 hours, or until it doubles in size. So you don't want to cover with cellophane too tightly, or else it would be harder for the dough to rise. So a good place to keep this when it's rising is outdoors, because the sunlight could hit it directly. So I'll see you when this has risen. Now that our pizza dough has risen for about 2 to 3 hours, it has doubled in size, and it should look something like this. we know that the pizza dough is ready when it starts having these bubble holes in them. And so this is the pizza dough ready. See you guys in the next video, and I'll see you then. Bye.